got lucky. We're on Hume Lake. We're doing boat rentals. It's like $40 to rent a canoe, go out for an hour. So this will be kind of cool to explore the lake in Sequoia and Kings Canyon. As I said earlier, we were at Hume Lake, Sequoia National Park, nestled in the Sierra Nevada mountains. We did a spur-of-the-moment canoe paddle around the lake. It was a gorgeous day out on the water, and the Christian summer camp was in full swing for the kids. Everyone was out enjoying this day on the lake because it was the 4th of July weekend. The lake itself was originally built in 1908 for the Hume Lumber Company to store logs and transport lumber. The logs would float on the lake until they were ready to go to the long flume, carrying them to Sanger, California. Are you working, Megan?
Yeah, I'm taking a break.
You don't look like you're working very hard. In 1924, logging ceased due to fire and decreased revenue, and in 1935 was turned over to the U.S. Forest Service. Eventually, the lake became what it is today with recreational use. Interestingly enough, the Hume Lake Dam is an engineering marvel, noted as the world's first concrete reinforced multiple arch dam with groundbreaking design. It is now seen as a National Historic Landmark. Oh dear.
What?
Nothing. Hume Lake is very nice. Now people like you and I can come here to enjoy the beautiful landscape with all the breathtaking views. Our paddle ended after 2 hours and we took our canoe back in for the evening.